Imagine you are in an HR interview. The interviewer asks, "Why do you want to work in HR?" You know you want to answer well. So you start searching for the perfect sentences. But here's the problem, you don't need a perfect sentence, you need clear ideas. In this episode, I am going to show you how you organize your thoughts so you can build your own natural answer instead of memorizing someone else. When you hear why do you want to work in HR, don't immediately think, what sentence should I say? Instead, ask yourself, why HR? What do I understand about HR? What can I bring to the role? What do I want to learn or become? These four questions give you the structure of your answer. Start with your genuine reason. Ask yourself, what attracts me to HR? Maybe you enjoy working with people, communication, supporting employees, recruitment, organizing information, solving workplace problems, training and development. You don't need to choose everything. Choose one or two reasons that are genuinely true to you. For example, your idea might simply be, I enjoy working with people and helping things run smoothly. That's your first idea. You don't need a complicated sentence yet. Now ask yourself, what do I understand about HR? Remember, HR is not only about hiring. Think about recruitment, documentation, employee support, coordination. For an HR assistant, you might be interested in helping with employee record, onboarding, recruitment support, communication, or administrative tasks. Choose the area that connect with your interests. So your second idea could be, I understand that HR combines working with people and organized administrative processes. Again, focus on the idea, not the exact sentence. Now look at yourself. Ask, what skills do I already have? Think about communication, organization, teamwork, documentation, time management, problem solving, computer skills, and listening. Now connect one or two of your skills to HR. For example, communication, working with employees and candidates, organization, managing HR documents, listening, understanding employee concerns. This makes your answer stronger because you are not just saying, I have good skills. You are showing how your skills can be useful. Finally, think about your future. Ask yourself, what do I want to learn or achieve in HR? Maybe you want to gain practical HR experience, learn HR systems, develop recruitment skills, understand employee relations, take on more responsibilities, build a long term HR career. For example, your idea could be build a strong foundation in HR and gradually take on more responsibilities. That's enough. You don't need to promise that you will become an HR manager in 2 years. Now you have four ideas. Why HR? I enjoy working with people. What do I understand? HR involves people, support, and organized processes. What can I bring? Communication and organizational skills. Where do I want to go? Learn, gain experience, and grow in HR. Now, when you speak, your answer might sound like this. I am interested in HR because I enjoy working with people and organized administrative work. I understand that HR involves employee support, communication, documentation, and different HR processes. I believe my communication and organizational skills would help me contribute as an HR assistant. I am also looking forward to gaining practical experience, developing my HR knowledge, and growing in the field. Notice what we did. We did not start with the sentence, we started with ideas. The sentences came naturally after the idea were clear. If you are a fresh graduate, don't worry about not having HR experience. Organize your ideas around education, transferable skills, interest in HR, willing to learn, and if you are changing career, think about previous experience, transferable skills, why HR, what you want to learn. Your previous experience does not have to be exactly HR related. Maybe you already know how to communicate, organize, coordinate, solve problem, or work with people. Those skills can become part of your HR story. Here's the biggest lesson from today's episode. Stop searching for perfect sentence. Instead, organize your ideas. Before the interview, take a piece of paper and write only four things. Why am I interested in HR? What do I understand about HR? What skill can I bring? What do I want to learn or achieve? That's your preparation. Then practice speaking from those points. Don't memorize, don't read, think, organize, speak. Now it's your turn. Imagine the interviewer asks, why do you want to work in HR? Pause the video, write down your 4 points, ideas, then speak for 45 to 60 seconds. Your first answer does not have to be perfect. Try again. Each time, your idea will become clearer and your speaking will become more natural. So remember, when you hear an interview question, don't immediately search for a perfect answer. Organize your ideas first. For this question, remember interest, understanding, skill, and future. Then speak in your own words. That's how you give an answer that sounds natural, confident, and genuinely yours. This is episode 3 of our HR assistant interview series. Keep practicing with us, one interview question at a time. See you in episode 4. If you found today's episode helpful, don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.